first ride with this new second-hand bike. It's a Baron, an Optima Baron. It is a 20-inch front wheel, 26-inch rear wheel, lowracer configuration. Of course I need to get used to it, but happy I have it. They're no longer made. Optima has is no longer in business with recumbent bikes. If I'm correct, they still make bikes, but more like electric city bikes, not this kind of recumbent bike. Why did I buy it? The Performer Goal X26 is a good touring bike, although it's basic quality. I have no complaints about it, except that you feel that components are not top. The bike is quite heavy also. It's about 17.5 kilograms, and I wanted something lighter, a little bit faster, and of course I have to get used to this bike, but I can feel already that the quality is better. Steering position is a little different, and of course I'm very much lower, much more reclined, and keeping the phone in one hand for filming and taking short turns. It's a little bit tricky now. I did about 20 kilometers today. I feel that it's faster, it's a little more raw, has no suspension. But I think for the average leisure ride, it should be perfect. And there's a cycling race just before my nose. The bike came with its own bag, proprietary bag for this Optima Baron. It had been neglected though, so I put a little work in it. I changed the old Magura Julie hydraulic disc brakes by mechanical disc brakes. I have it BB7S. It's a road type disc brake. Why I did that? Well, I hear a lot of talks about hydraulic brakes not working properly, dragging, the need to bleed them, etc., etc. And I didn't want that fuss. So simple mechanical disc brakes. Changing a cable takes only 5 minutes. costs only a couple of well, I think maybe €1 for a brake cable. So simple, efficient. People always talk about the amount of brake power in hydraulic disc brakes. Well, I think as soon as you are able to lock up the wheel, you've got all the power you need. I might probably change the cassette too. It has a fast cassette, so more oriented to flat roads, and as I am in the hilly region of the Flemish Ardennes, I might go for a smaller cassette or a smaller cogwheel for the hills here. I changed the brake levers also, standard road or even city type brake lever. All the rest, it had a mirror, it had a bell. This is left-right indicators that go together with the Lumos helmet I bought. And I also added some light, both rear and front. I think on a low bike like this, visibility is quite important. I think also my wife couldn't agree more. So this is it for today.